better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tanisha, and today's video is a DIY. I am doing a pumpkin latte facial. Today's a spa day for me. I'm just going to deep condition my hair and do a facial at the same time. You will need 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 small bowl, and a spatula for mixing. Starting with your brown sugar, your coffee, and then your cinnamon. And you want to mix them together. Next, you want to mix in your pumpkin. And then last, you want to mix in your honey. This is the consistency of the mixture. You can apply this with clean hands, or I like to use a flat makeup brush. You also want to make sure you do your neck. Now that the mixture has dried on my face, it's time to exfoliate. Because you have pumpkin and coffee grinds, you have all these little pieces on here, and that's going to help exfoliate your skin. So when you wash off your face, you want to rinse in circular motions. Okay, so I just finished rinsing off my mask. My skin feels so smooth and soft. The honey is quite sticky, so you want to make sure you remove it all. Rinse it all off. And I'm just going to moisturize my skin with the Jason Revitalizing Moisturized Cream. I am more of a dry skin type, so I still like to keep my skin hydrated. But it feels so smooth. And that mask, if you like the smell of coffee, oh, it smells so good. It smells like fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.